Right, last one. Okay, now you look at again factoring. So always remember, can you factor something out of it first? Is there a greatest common factor? Can you see something in each one of these three terms that you can divide by? Right. Now look, I can't divide by 2. I can divide a 10 by a 2. I can divide a 16 by a 2, but there's no number in the x5, so I can't use any numbers. Alright, so let's just erase that. But if you look at this, they all have x's in them, and the smallest one is the x cubed. So they'll all divide by x cubed. Okay? So again, remember how to write it. X cubed is what I can pull out. If I do divide them all by x cubed, I will get, right, divide this by that, you'll get x squared, won't you? Okay? Let's do this one. No number to divide by, so leave the negative 10. But what's x4 over x3? You would take away, so that leaves you with x1, or just x. 16, nothing to divide by there, so still 16. And remember, x3 over x3, that's it, you're finished, okay? So, now you might think that's it, okay? But look, this is one of these factor a trinomial, okay? So I'll keep writing it above, right? X cubed. Now again, this x squared minus 10x plus 16 will factor into two parentheses. X squared is an x times an x. What's two numbers that make 16 when you multiply, that make negative 10 when you add? Okay, you start then to think and you go, right, it is negative 8, negative 2. Okay? Right, and that's the answer. Okay, so you've just done it like a double factoring. You've factored out the greatest common factor, and then you've also factored this trinomial. So they're hard to spot, right? But it's like, okay, you've done one technique, and then you've done another technique. Last little thing. Okay, we'll just finish this off very quickly. Look at this. I can do this one. And normally I would say it's a division, so you subtract exponents. 3 take away 8 is negative 5. That's the answer. Okay, but it's not. Alright, that is not the answer because it wants it in positive exponents. So another way of looking at this is this. Where's there more x's? There's more x's on the bottom. By how many? By 5, and that is the answer. Okay?